Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your audio not suck. So the first thing I need to emphasize is the audio quality is so important when making YouTube videos. For example, if you're watching a video with poor visuals but high quality audio, you can quite comfortably sit there and watch it. If you're watching a video with like crystal clear images but it's got poor audio, you're gonna turn off. It's just not watchable. It's really difficult to watch, as I find, as many others find. So sorting out your audio is more important than you might think. So I've tried to make this as inclusive as possible. There's things on this list that might be free. It really depends on what you have around you. So the first thing is you could use a USB microphone. Now this would be great if you're recording on a laptop or you're recording somewhere like in front of your computer where you always know you're going to be able to record there. Have it stationary, have it just sat there and picking up high quality audio for you. You can pick up microphones, really cheap USB ones these days. This is an XLR microphone, but this was £30, as I explained in a previous video, and I use this for vocals from time to time. I use it for recording acoustic guitars. I use it for every single stream I do, and I use it for all of my videos. It was £30. So it doesn't have to be expensive to sound good. But if any of this makes sense to you, just comment down below with what has helped you, and if you decide to pick up anything that you see on this video, let me know, because I'm always interested to hear it. The second thing is, you could even use your headphones. What I mean is you could have your phone sat down and you could literally have your headphones plugged in. It depends what it's for really. If you're doing a vlog or anything like that, or like a top 5 or an unboxing, anything like that is perfect. People don't care if they see your headphones on you on a video. It works even better if you've got Bluetooth headphones, so if you've got like the cheaper, just regular Bluetooth headphones, which work really well, or the AirPods, they would work for this as well. It captures really high quality audio and it's more subtle, I guess. The third thing is you could buy a lavalier microphone, one of those microphones that you see on TV sets or like interviews. And so they sort of wrap it through their clothes and they just have it, usually it's attached to a battery pack and a wireless receiver. In this case, you can attach it to your phone. So if you're not using your phone to record the video, whether you're using a webcam or a handy cam, whether you have like a Canon camera, like a DSLR, anything you want to use, you can use this lavalier mic. They're about £30 on Amazon. I'm sure you can get them cheaper from places like eBay. Essentially all it is like a set of headphones plugging into your phone, but more subtle and looks a little bit more official, I guess. Fourth is the most expensive of the options. This is a field recorder. Big Hollywood budget movies also use field recorders. They have like a boom operator with a pole and everything, and that's plugged into a field recorder. This will be a bulky one, you know, £500–600 if not more effort, but you can get them for about £80–90. Zoom is a really good brand. I've tried the Zoom H1N. It does a really good job of recording audio, so I could recommend that one. Again, that's the most expensive one, but you pay for the privilege of having it completely portable. You can use SD cards, micro SD cards. You don't have to have it routed through anything like a phone or a computer, anything like that to record the audio. So that's the biggest benefit of having that. One thing I really need to stress, and I'll go through a list of other things which you should really watch out for. Make sure you do a sync clap when you start your footage. A sync clap is where you clap, and if you've ever seen behind the scenes of like a film set where they have a film slate, they clap it. The reason why they clap it is because it's a harsh attack sound with the board clapping into itself, so there's a clear and precise area on your audio timeline that links with the video and the audio. So it's really important that you do that. You can get around it if you forget to do that, which I've done it myself. It doesn't matter as well whether you do it at the beginning or the end. You can still sync it up even if you clap at the end of the video. I mean, that's fine. You just have to sync it up from the end and then go to the beginning again once it's all synced up. It's really easy, don't worry. Another massive pitfall is a lot of people will record videos in their bathroom or they'll record it in their kitchen, and this can be a really bad idea sometimes because you have tiles in the bathroom. Tiles don't absorb any almost any sound, so therefore every sound that you make bounces off it, and there's tiles all the way around the bathroom, so that's why it's so echoey, because there's nothing like in a bedroom with a bed and a towel and whatever else to absorb that sound. So ideally you want to be in a room where you have little to no echo or reverb. If you are going to record in an environment like that, it's so critical that you use one of the methods as described before. Another really bad thing for audio is room fans. Now, if you've seen any of my stuff, you know I'm guilty of this too. I think it's a little bit different in some cases because that's when I'm live streaming, and if I'm sat there for 2 to 3 hours in a boiling room, especially in summer, you kind of have to make an exception in some cases and just put music on to hopefully drown out some of the sound. If you're recording a YouTube video, if you're recording for say 15 minutes, just turn off the fan. It's like 15 minutes of recording or a lifetime of being annoyed by the quality of the video. You're welcome. But yeah, make sure you turn off fans because it makes a really loud motorized whirring sound in the background. It's just not worth keeping in the footage. Avoid bathrooms, avoid kitchens. Try and avoid outside if possible. If you're going to record outside, you should really be careful of the wind because the wind ruins every single thing to do with audio. The wind just does not cooperate with recording. But that's it. Basically, the takeaway from this is use what you have and just be as clever as possible about it. So if you have a phone that you're recording your videos on and you have a pair of headphones, you currently have a high quality microphone and a HD camera on your phone. There's never been a better time to record videos because most people have everything you need in your pocket. It's just about being creative with it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Like the video, comment down below if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Come on.